Understanding vector spaces, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our video on vector spaces. Today, we're going to explore this fascinating concept in mathematics, making it easy to understand even if you're new to the subject. Vector spaces are fundamental in various fields like physics, engineering, and computer science, so understanding them can really enhance your knowledge. At its core, a vector space is a collection of objects known as vectors. These vectors can be added together and multiplied by numbers, scalars, to create new vectors. The idea might sound abstract, but you've seen vectors in everyday life, like in GPS directions that combine distance and direction. The key properties of a vector space include addition of vectors, combining two vectors to get another vector. Scalar multiplication, multiplying a vector by a number, scalar, to change its length or direction. Zero vector presence, a unique vector that doesn't change other vectors when added. Opposite vectors, for every vector, there's another that, when added, results in the zero vector. Vectors can be anything from arrows in space to functions or sequences. Here, we'll see two common types. Geometric vectors, often depicted as arrows with direction and magnitude, used in physics to represent forces or velocities. Algebraic vectors, numbers arranged in an order, like 2, 3, in 2D space, or 1, minus 4, 3, in 3D space. Vector spaces are not just theoretical. They have practical applications. In engineering for analyzing forces and movements. In computer graphics for creating and manipulating images and animations. In quantum mechanics, where quantum states can be treated as vectors. Vector spaces are a fascinating and useful concept in mathematics and beyond. They allow us to mathematically model and solve complex problems in various fields. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of vector spaces and their importance. Thank you for watching, and stay curious.